1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Ngasidi
We'll be going to climb Central Delhi. The rock climbing so it's kind of a this thing climbing gym.
adu mayam koi video se loi bu yeng biyo yam wai ni khanjai adu mayam okay wazi gari lak to re ngai
You have to finish in like seconds. And these are other different routes. So everywhere where you see a rope, it's a new route, different route, right? You need a second person to belay you. Belayer is somebody who's down there leading you the rope. And in case you fall, then the person holds the rope basically to arrest you. Whenever you see this yellow flag, these are with automatic belay. It means
Okay.
you can climb alone without a second person holding you. So even if you fall, look at the funny guy. But see, I've got you guys here to watch movie because I really wanted you to see what climbing is. And in case it interests you a little bit or fascinated you a bit, then you must try any form of climbing. Yeah, it's like you must. Everyone can see your face.
No one can see us.
Must. Wow.
시기 범세 또 rock climbing 네 보고 지금 한 까도 이니 봐. 저기 yellow ma chulai se yellow ma chulai di asi automatic ni as mi yaw du ya bi mi yaw wa mi tu no
jaga se yam ngai khoi su try to badi yaw za ne adu khar lai ga di khoi na la ga pham se ka to ra try to bu zu dum hap sa rake adu jaga se yam ai khoi de yam kaning ba si te ka no tong ba fa we adu khoi dum si se membership ma we ga
हाँ ये वाला
नीचे क्रैश पैड होता है, so bouldering का वो, and these are finger training boards.
अच्छा सिसे मोगी करीब खुदना पाइबदा तमनबदो अदुदुनी हाय सिपाय सी वाइट ते सिबदी चोकनी दना सिने हुमांगदो हुतै दनमनेबा याम पाइ कस्काइ के दो खुद हम दो लोर फजाये महेशना काबल इलाइरस्ता
Boating alright.
Mahesh
There's no range here.
하이오 와카라
Wah, maybe YouTube lah. Cái gì gì kumok sai kumok kan tahu kan ya si kumok tom zeli. Aduh, ada yang kau yang dembet lah ni ada cuma tu kopi tak tahu ni. Hamaरा
ako पिटाई ने
आ गया सब.
आ रहे हैं एक एक करके.
या
ये तो चीज़ है वो मांगना ले जाओ मेरा मांस खुलता है
तो क्या करूँ?
माय गुडनेस फजाई
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
गले में क्या है अच्छा
गले में हथियार है, तुम्हें मारने, तुम्हारा गला काटने के लिए.
गुंटी से बांधने के लिए बांध देते.
सिल्पी से गाँव रे नंग सोम को
It's an adventure sport, so it has to be scary, but otherwise, it's a sport. It's about testing your limits. Yeah, I think you guys should, if not taking a full membership, or even if you don't want to get into blinding, you can at